Hello followers, in my today video I'm about to teach you how you can make that 500 megabyte data bundle for free. For free, you won't pay a dime, and this data bundle will be given to you every month for 6 good months before this data bundle will expire. And today be your first time watching my video, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, what you need to know, and also follow me on TikTok, what you need to know. So without my time, let me teach you how you can make that 500 megabyte data bundle for free. So first, go to your message and send a message to this code 151 and type this message, that be MB, send. After you send, you must wait for a while. They will send you a message. So let's wait for a while. Yeah, have you seen it? Your request is successfully received. You will be notified shortly after processing. So let's wait if you will get that 500 megabyte or not. So let me check on my account *124#. So I have no bundle. I have no data bundle here. So let's wait. Okay, let's go to our message and wait for some minutes. They will send us a message that time for using your new phone on MTN. You have been rewarded with data. So it will come. Let's wait for some minutes. Today be your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and also follow me on TikTok, what you need to know. So let's wait for some minutes.
Yes, have you seen it? Thanks for using your new phone on MTN. You have been rewarded with data, free base of 500 megabyte each month for 6 months. Welcome to the new world. So let me check on my account and see if you have get that 500 megabyte or not. *124#. I hope you seen it. Internet bundle 500.05 megabyte. Follow me for more videos like this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my TikTok channel. Thank you.